Question 17. The diagram below shows the effect of mass and distance on the force of gravity. Which configuration will result in the greatest gravitational force? Remember, m equals mass, F equals force, and D equals distance. A, the small masses far apart. B, large masses far apart. C, small masses close together. And D, large masses close together. The question again is, remember this: which configuration will result in the greatest gravitational force? After you have marked all your answers, please submit your test with the blue Submit button. Make sure that you get the screen that says, I received your answers. Do not close your computer until you have received that screen.